Namaste Bandhugan. My name is Dr. Keshav Baliram Hedgewar and I am the founder of the Sangha. I was born on 1st of April in the year 1889. Unfortunately, I lost my parents at a very young age and had to face a lot of problems in my life. But by the grace of God and sheer determination, I became a doctor. Right from my childhood, I had this question in my mind that why our Hindu Samaj, which preaches and practices Loka Samastha Sukhino Bhavantu, which means let entire universe be happy, was subjected to severe atrocities for nearly 1,000 years. Why our Hindu Samaj, which follows a principle of universal acceptance and mutual respect, was looted for several centuries. And why there was no retaliation from our Hindu people. Then I understood that it's because we are not united, our enemies are coming and invading us every now and then. After becoming a doctor, I had several career opportunities in front of me. But I didn't want to live for myself. I wanted to dedicate this life, my life, to a wider Indian community. I wanted to address the problem what our Hindu Samaj is facing. Then I went and approached several leaders, intellectuals and freedom fighters and came up with a plan to unite the Hindus. Everyone cautioned me not to venture on this journey because they used to think that uniting Hindus is a task which can't be achieved at all. But I didn't want to give up so easily. Then, on the auspicious occasion of Vijayadashami in the year 1925, with nearly 12 Swayamsevaks like you all, I started Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha, popularly known as RSS or Sangh in current day. Since then, we worked tirelessly to expand the Sangh work because the motto of Sangh was Sanghatan, which means uniting the Hindus, uniting the like-minded people. And within the 15 years of starting the Sangh, that is, by the year 1940, our Sangh was spread in all parts of Bharat, which includes current day Pakistan and Bangladesh as well. I left this world in the year 1940, or you can say, I died in the year 1940. It's been 80 years, I was not physically present with Sangh. If I look back and see what we have achieved, what our Sangh has achieved, it gives me immense happiness and satisfaction. And I'm proud to say that today our Sangh is the largest NGO on the planet. Today, our Sangh is present in 40 different countries. The combined strength of Swayamsevaks and Sevikas is nearly 6.5 to 7 million people. An organization which started with merely one branch or one shakha in Nagpur, Bharat, has got nearly 70 different or 70,000 shakhas across the globe. On this remarkable achievement, on behalf of you all, let me congratulate to all the Karyakartas, Karyakartinis, Swayamsevaks and Swayamsevikas for this remarkable achievement. Let me give few examples of the Swayamsevaks who were normal like we all of us who used to attend the shakhas and what they have contributed to the society. It is Shri Nanaji Deshmukh who started the concept school of Saraswati Shishu Mandir, making education affordable and reachable to a huge Indian masses, irrespective of their caste, creed and religion. It is Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee who made Bharat as nuclear empowered Bharat. It is Shri Narendra Modi who has integrated Kashmir to India and made Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. There were just few examples. Like them, there are countless Karyakartas and Karyakartinis who had several career opportunities to pursue, but they have rejected all of them happily and decided to work for this Sangh. On this occasion, on behalf of you all, let my Shashtang Pranam to all those people, all those Karyakartas and Karyakartinis who have spent each and every second of their life to the Sangh so that you all can attend shakhas today. Before I say Ram Ram to you all, I request you all to keep coming shakhas And from this month onwards, from this moment onwards, make it a point to tag at least one family. Make it a point to get your near and dear ones to the shakhas, because shakha is a place which brings all the like-minded people under one place, under one roof, and unite us as one family. Because it is the shakha which nurtures us the concept, which nurtures us the qualities of sanskar, seva, and sanghatan. Because it is the shakha which gives us the opportunity to work as one force, to win, to achieve something big. My Ram Ram to you all. Let me conclude with three simple naras which usually we say in our shakhas. संगठन में शक्ति है, हिंदू हिंदू एक है, भारत माता की जय. नमस्ते.